Hello friends, this is Heather the Fed Up Foodie. If you're looking for a homemade pie that is incredibly easy to make and is wonderful for summer and the holidays, such as Easter and Thanksgiving, look no further than this key lime pie. This luxurious pie has a crunchy graham and coconut crust that is filled with a creamy and tart key lime custard. Finally, it's topped with a fluffy limed whipped cream. Start by toasting the coconut and letting it cool to room temperature. Next, process the graham crackers into crumbs using a food processor or the old-fashioned way with a Ziploc bag and a rolling pin. Within the last 20 to 30 seconds, add the toasted and cooled coconut. The graham crackers should look like coarse sand once processed. Now transfer the crumbs to a medium-sized mixing bowl, and to the mixture add melted coconut oil and key lime extract. The addition of coconut extract will give this crust a delicious tropical flavor. Once all the ingredients are added to the graham mixture, stir well until the mixture looks like wet, coarse sand, and then transfer to a 9-inch pie pan. Spread the mixture as evenly as possible, and then using the back of a dry measuring cup, press the crumbs into the bottom and sides of the pan. Bake the pie for 10 to 12 minutes and cool to room temperature. Okay, now it's time to make the star of the show, the key lime custard. Start by zesting a regular lime or key limes. Separate 3 eggs and add the yolks along with the zest to the bowl of a stand mixer. If you're new to separating eggs, go slow at first. Gently crack the eggs on a flat surface and separate the eggshell by hand. Make sure to have 2 bowls ready, one for the whites and one for the yolks. Leftover egg whites can be used for making scrambled eggs or omelets. Beat the egg yolks and lime zest on high speed for 3 to 4 minutes or until the mixture lightens in color and slightly thickens. Now add the sweetened condensed milk and continue beating on high speed for an additional 5 minutes, making sure to stop the mixer and scrape down the sides of the bowl halfway through. Lower your mixer speed to medium and slowly pour in your lime juice. Mix until just combined and then pour the mixture into a cooled graham cracker crust. Bake at 325 degrees for approximately 25 to 30 minutes. You may be wondering what the difference is between key limes and regular limes. The good news is I have broken down the details between the two on the recipe post on the site. In short though, either type of limes may be used successfully for this pie. Once your pie is baked, let it cool to room temperature. Once cooled, loosely cover with plastic wrap and refrigerate for several hours to overnight. To make the fluffy whipped cream, chill a large mixing bowl for at least 30 minutes in the freezer. To the bowl, add the heavy whipping cream, sugar, and lime extract. Beat on low speed for about a minute, and then increase to high speed for about 3 to 4 minutes or until soft peaks form. Top the pie with large spoonfuls of whipped cream, making fluffy, disorganized mounds. Garnish with lime zest. This dessert is incredibly refreshing during the summer and is a fun alternative for pumpkin haters during Thanksgiving. For the full recipe and a deep dive into the tips and tricks in making this dessert, head on over to thefedupfoodie.com.